Okay. And I may as well take the bottom off too at this point. I'm just gonna make the hole bigger than I need, then that way I know it'll be in the right place. There we go. Flip that back over. Little buttercream on top, and then I can go ahead and attach the top piece. Okay, great. Now I can actually hollow it out too. So I'm going to twist and then hold it up like this. And you see how it's coming out at the bottom? And I'll just pull it through. It's easier to pull it through than it is to pull it back up. So then I have my area where it can go in. I'm not sure if I put this on backwards now or not, but we'll ice it, and if I need to trim it still, then we can. Okay, so let me, this actually is going to go up on here, like I said. We're going to have to put supports in that. And this, I will take this now. Maybe I'll take this one. Okay, marked it there. Go down, twist, pull it on out. I can go ahead and flip it over. There we go. All right, so I can go ahead and flip that over. Let me bring this board over here, because what we're going to have to do is have this be underneath here. Let me go ahead and take this and run this through. So this is a sprinkler part. It's a sprinkler riser. And this is what's going to hold everything together. So this would be here, like so. And I don't really want this sticking up like that, so that means I'm actually going to have to cut around it a little bit more. But I didn't really know where until I had that in, so if I can just, whoops, mark it, and that's actually enough, because now I can go ahead and flip it on over. That should be plenty big enough, huh? There we go, perfect, look at that. Okay. Now we need to see where this is going to go on this board. I can grab it. Okay, so I'll explain these parts a little bit more here. You're going to need a drill, sprinkler riser. This is a 12-inch sprinkler riser. Get it in the sprinkler section. And this needs to be attached to this board here. So let me flip this one more time. Okay, I'm going to want it to be something like about here. So what I'll do is I will drop this out, and then I'm going to need to attach it to the board right there. Okay, so you need a drill, and then I need a drill bit here. And some screws. So this is plywood, or it's not plywood, it's actually pressboard. Plywood's fine. And you need some screws that will go into it but not go through it, because I would hate to actually attach this to the counter, which I have done before. No, not really to a counter. I've done it to a turntable before though. So I'll just put my Phillips head there. Now you're probably going, what is this? Because I didn't explain it, right? This is a sprinkler head. Okay, so while you're in the sprinkler section, you get this sprinkler head, and what this is it usually goes like on the top of one of these, and that's where your water comes out, and it usually has this little gold piece in the center. You just take that out, and then you have to drill little holes in the plastic so that the screws can go in there, because they're usually not there. 2 on this particular cake is fine. The size board, this one, I think it's a 16-12. 13, 14, 15, 16. It's actually like a 17-inch board, but which is kind of odd, because usually it's like 16 or 18. And it would fit on a 16 or an 18, actually. All right, so I'm gonna push that off to the side. I'm gonna be covering that with fondant in a second. I wanna get these two cakes in the refrigerator.